The Engwe brand offers a diverse range of electric bikes, designed to meet different needs and preferences. This range includes city bikes, electric mountain bikes and folding models, each offering practical solutions for daily commutes, off-road adventures or urban travel. Their diversity allows users to find the model that best suits their lifestyle and specific needs. Engwe is renowned for its high-quality products and technical innovations. The brand's bicycles are distinguished by their robustness, modern design, and reliable performance. They feature powerful motors, long-lasting batteries, and lightweight aluminum frames. Additionally, Engwe focuses on user comfort with ergonomic saddles, efficient suspension systems, and intuitive interfaces for a pleasant and safe riding experience. The Engwe M20 model is a remarkable example of the brand's ingenuity. Here are some of its highlights. Equipped with a 750-watt motor, it offers an impressive top speed and rapid acceleration, ideal for city commutes and countryside rides. Thanks to its removable battery of 48 volts and 13 amp hours, the M20 ensures a range of up to 120 kilometers, allowing you long walks without the worry of frequent recharging. The aluminum alloy frame is not only lightweight but also durable, ensuring a long service life and good impact resistance. Wide tires and front and rear suspension system effectively absorb shock, providing a smooth ride even on rough terrain. Featuring a 7-speed Shimano derailleur, hydraulic disc brakes and an LCD display, it ensures a controlled ride and easy settings management. The Engwe M20 electric bike is a great choice for those looking to combine performance, comfort and style in their daily commute or adventures. Ready to go on an adventure? Find the links to the M20 and to all models of the Engwe brand. Tell me on comment what product you would like to see in video, subscribe and see you soon.